If you've ever wanted to learn a new language, you've probably heard of Memrise. But most people get this wrong. They think it's just another flashcard app. The surprising truth is that Memrise combines gamified lessons, native speaker videos, and spaced repetition to make learning faster and more enjoyable. When you first open Memrise, you select your target language. Popular options include Spanish, French, German, Japanese, and many more. Lessons focus on vocabulary, phrases, and listening comprehension, often using short video clips of native speakers to provide context. This is different from apps that rely solely on text or audio recordings. One standout feature is the spaced repetition system. Memrise tracks what you've learned and reminds you to review words or phrases at the right time, which improves memory retention. Lessons are short and engaging, usually 5-10 minutes, making it easy to fit learning into a busy schedule. The app also has a Learn with Local section, where you watch videos of real people speaking naturally. This is a big advantage over other apps that use robotic voices or scripted sentences. Gamification adds points, streaks, and leaderboards, which keeps motivation high. Pricing is flexible. There's a free version with core lessons and a premium plan starting around $9 per month for full access, including offline mode, advanced learning stats, and extra exercises. In my experience, the premium version is worth it if you want faster progress and more variety in lessons. In conclusion, Memrise is ideal for beginners and intermediate learners who want engaging, context-based language lessons. It's not a complete replacement for in-depth grammar study, but it makes vocabulary and listening comprehension fun and effective. If this review helped you understand how Memrise works and whether it fits your learning style, subscribe for more language app reviews, learning tips, and ways to boost your language skills efficiently.